Thank you, thank you. Honorable members, I want us to end here so that we go to other business. I just want to echo the words of Honorable Mbadi and the seniors in this house, Kainan, Mbandi, and those who have done at least 3 years and above, that this house will be remembered because of your conduct. You will go down in history as either a member of parliament who came to this house, clowned yourself for 5 years, and then walked away. And Wananchi are watching. I want to encourage the seniors from this side, particularly Honorable Mbande, Honorable Tienda Amolo, senior lawyer, implore upon your leadership to give a little more time to the house and to give a little more respect to the conduct of business in the house. And Mbadi, you are spot on. I stand here as a father figure to many, many of you because of the longevity of my stay in this house. I first came to this house in 1992. And as a very young person, I sat on the speaker's panel. And I hit the ground running, learning how to run the house. I sat on this chair in the presence of greats like the late President Mwai Kibaki, the late George Saitot, the late Wamalwa Kijana, the late Mzee Moi, the late Wamalwa Kijana, Mudi Awori, Professor Rashid Mzee, Paul Mwite, and many others, including now the departed Mutiso. The Honorable Raila Odinga, we walked in this house for the first time on the same day. Mercurial debaters like James Orengo and many others. And at no time, President William Ruto found me here and we worked together. I want to encourage you members. This journey is long and you'll pass through some very slippery grounds. Sometimes you may think you know everything when you know nothing. And that is what gets us off the rails. Leadership is a privilege. It's not a right. And when we come to this house, Mbandi, keep on talking to our colleagues in the manner you did, that here, when you are given an opportunity to lead, please lead. I have been extremely courteous to every member, and I will continue doing so, but we will try to enforce the rules of the House. There are 3-4 members I have noted who are taking for granted the magnanimity of the chair, and that is not right. I saw one member yesterday confront the honorable member for Dagoretti North to ask her why she's sitting here when the rest have gone out. It is not your duty as a member to picket members out of the house. Every member is here on their own right. Honorable Tienda Amolo is here to represent the people of Rarieda, and that responsibility is not shared unless he wants to share it himself. Because at the end of the day, you answer questions to the people who cast the vote for you. And I want to encourage us that the length we have been here, even if we are slow at learning, we learned something. And it's good to listen when we tell you what to do. I'll administer this house without any fear or favor and with absolute fairness. We want a house that everybody out there looks at in admiration. That's why you have a host of students who come here sitting in the gallery. When your students who are your children sit up there and hear the words that the Honorable Babu Wino uttered here on the floor, they shudder. They shudder. And I want to encourage Honorable Mbadi, Honorable Tienda Amolo, Honorable Kainan, you are the seniors. Talk to these young colleagues and tell them that sometimes you may be quick to answer, quick to speak, but the good book of the Lord, the Bible says, always be quick to listen and slow to answer. you will be able to get away with many things. Next order. Kaluma, I'm told you are also senior.
Order number that.
And I acknowledge that.